Welcome, my friends, to another technical session. In today's session, we're going to do the Vishamavriti, which is translated from Sanskrit as the uneven breath. In a previous video, we've done the even breath, so you can probably guess what we're going to do today. Basically, it just means instead of the same ratio to inhale to exhale, that they're not the same. Specifically, we're going to focus on the long exhale, so lengthening the exhaling breath in relation to the inhale. There are a number of reasons you might want to do this. The main one is to calm you down, but actually the true reason that you're not consciously aware of, when you do this, you are increasing the CO2 concentration in your body. And you might think that you don't want CO2 in your body, but you actually do. There are a lot of benefits to having higher levels of CO2 in your body as long as your oxygen stays the same, and I promise it will. In another video, I'll explain some of the science that's come out recently about how CO2 is beneficial to you. But for now, just believe that it works. Just trust me when I say that this is good for you and you're going to have long-term benefits from practicing this. So, as usual, I invite you to get in your breathing position, whether it's a chair or it's seated on a mat like myself. And gently close your eyes. And get in tune with that posture that you know to be correct. Seated, sit bones, heavy and grounded into the earth. Countering pulling action of the spine up, straight and tall. So you can even imagine a stable T shape, an inverted T shape. The bottom part of the T is your sitting bones and the long, lengthy, slim part of the T is your spine that's nice and straight. Roll your shoulders up and back. And allow your hands to rest comfortably either on your knees, folded in your lap, or wrists on the knees, palms open. And take a few juicy, cleansing breaths. Taking a moment to just drop whatever you carried with you before you came and sat down. In the next 15-20 minutes, all that doesn't matter. Dedicate yourself to this time now. And check that there is no residual tension in your body. Scan from the top of your head all the way down through your face muscles, relaxing them. Relaxing your eyes especially, your jaw, shoulders loose and relaxed, arms relaxed, relaxing the hips and the thighs. Everything but your structure, your support structure should be soft. And spend a few moments by following your breath through the nose and getting that sensation of expansion on every inhale. And every exhale, letting go a little more. feeling the lungs expand, also to the sides and to the back of the body on the inhale. And letting go on the exhale. Tracing your breath through the whole system. Feeling the air moving through the nostrils. Cooling on the inhale and warming on the exhale. Remembering to breathe from the belly. Nice and slow and deep. And let's begin the practice of the uneven breath. We'll do a count of 3 inhale and 6 exhale. Let's begin by breathing in together deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax technique for a moment. Take a couple of normal breaths. And let's start trying another count. Let's do 4 to 8 and see how that feels. Inhale deeply. Exhale, release. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Come back again to normal breathing. Taking a few deep restorative breaths. Let's try one last variation. This time, a ratio of 1 to 3. So 3 count inhale, 9 count exhale. Might be tough for some of you, but let's go for it. Inhale together. Exhale, release. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Release and relax. Coming back to your natural breathing. You feel a little bit out of breath. That's completely fine. Just allow your body to take the breaths that it needs. Breathing deeply through the nose and out through the nose. Even if you feel you're gasping a little, try to avoid mouth breathing. And just relax into the sensations that you have right now. Observing how you feel. Notice how your breathing is now compared to when you started. Observe any space you've created. Observe your mind. Good. You may gently open your eyes. So that was the uneven breath. Feel free to play with the different ratios. Some of you might have found the last one challenging, or maybe the second one was already challenging. Try to find that challenge point where it's not necessarily super easy, but you're not gasping for breath. That's the level you want to be at with this technique. And with time, as you increase your lung capacity, you can go further and do an even longer exhale. So play with it. All these techniques I'm teaching you, they're not exactly set in stone. Just play with it, find what works for you, use it as a guideline rather than a set rule. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you a beautiful day ahead. I'll see you here for the next practice.